How was your campus life?
My campus life, an job. I am job.
Oh, you have a job.
Yes.
What's your job? What's your job?
What is job? An individual by the days. The job is individual at the church.
Okay. How did you get to Addis Ababa University? It's your first time, yeah?
First time 20,000 in the beginning. I can Addis Ababa.
Oh.
Because Addis Ababa. The beginning is the extension. The 2 years 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 6 and 1 2 3 4 6 1 2 3 4 5 the extension.
Yeah.
The extension. Next the regular 16 in the beginning. 21,000.
So it's
21.
So it's the first time to join Addis Ababa University?
Yes.
Oh. So
The
how did you get to the campus?
at the beginning, at the beginning, 2021.
Yeah.
ወይም ደግሞ 20 2001 ማለት ነው።
Okay.
The beginning is 21.
Yeah.
2000